Now I'm going to show you how you're going to submit your work. So here I had assigned you certain links, and this is the Google Drive that I'm going to share it with you all. Now it'll redirect you to Year 10 notebook, and I'm going to have files like these for each student. So each student will have an Excel file. Make sure you open the correct file which has your name. So once I click on this, it will request me to open with, or there will be another arrow over here. You can use that as well. So I click on open with and click on Google Sheets. Once I do that, it'll redirect me to this page. So here, these are all the learning objectives, vocabularies, all these details will appear here. And today you're going to complete the lesson objective B. So just write the date there. And then I had assigned you work based on today's date. The video recording is provided for you. So the same information will appear here in the Excel sheet. So we have calculated two types of straight line method depreciation. I've shown you how it's posted to the accounts. Once you're completed with this in your notebook, or you can do it here by typing. If you've done it in your notebook, and if you want to share it as an image, you go take a picture, send it to your email, and then you can download it. Once you're done with that, it will show in your downloads. So I've already shown one of the work that I had already done. So I'm opening that document. Right. Now this is the work that I have done and I would expect the teacher to correct. So I go click on that. I copy the work. And then I go to that online Excel sheet and I paste it here. Control V. So here I have the evidence as a student, the work that I had completed. So now how are you going to receive the feedback? So the teacher will provide you the feedback by clicking on here, and the teacher will be able to give the comments. And then when I click on comment, the student can see a mark like this. Click on that and you will get all the comments which you receive from the teacher. So this is what today's work you have. I'm available in Microsoft Teams, but still it's not going to be a whole 50-minute session. Only when you have a question, you can ask whatever you have.